So this sentence, it is about the mouse. So here the mouse is the subject. Okay, so what is the subject? About whom the sentence is or about what the sentence is. So here the mouse, this is the subject because in this sentence we are talking about the mouse, and the remaining part, that is the predicate part. Okay. So now you can see here one more example. The alligator eats cookies and milk. So here this sentence is about the alligator. So this is the subject, the alligator. And then what is the predicate now? Predicate is something in the sentence that tells us about the subject. सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताता है what the subject is, what the subject is doing, or what the subject does, what the subject has. Okay, like the sentence was about the alligator, the previous sentence. So what the alligator does, eats cookies and milk. So that is the predicate part, okay, which tells us something about the alligator के बारे में बताता है कि वो alligator क्या कर रहा है. What the alligator does, it eats cookies and milk. So that which is given in blue color, eats cookies and milk, that is the predicate. And the alligator, okay, that is the subject. Okay, now you all I think know what is the difference between subject and predicate. Okay, so subject, what is that? The subject is who the sentence is about, whom the sentence is about, or what the sentence is about. Okay, about what the sentence is, about whom the sentence is, or about who the sentence is. That is the subject. Okay, whenever you get a sentence, you ask the question to the sentence, and whatever answer you get, that will be the subject. And then the predicate is what the subject does or what the subject is, or the action done, you can say, that is called the predicate part. Okay, so every sentence now they have two parts, subject and predicate. So this subject, okay, it can be one word or it can be more than one word. And subject part, it will have a noun or pronoun. Subject part में या तो noun होगा या फिर pronoun होगा. And predicate part में there will be the verb. And predicate part also there can be one word or there can be more than one word. Like if I say birds sing. So this sentence is about birds. So here birds is the subject and what the bird does, sings. So sings is the predicate part. Okay, so there will be verb in the predicate part. So the subject is who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate tells what the subject does. Like here some examples are given. Okay, you can see here the big green frog jumped across the log. So the big green frog. So this sentence is about whom? It is about the big green frog. So that is the subject. And jumped across the log. So the what the frog does, jumped across the log. That is the action. So that will be the predicate. Okay. The next sentence you see one more is given. My sweet grandmother wore a blue dress. So this sentence is about whom? It is about my sweet grandmother. So this is the subject. My sweet grandmother. And what grandmother does? Wore a blue dress. What she did? She wore a blue dress. So that will be the predicate part. Wore a blue dress. Okay. So I think now you all have understood what is subject and what is predicate part. Okay. So now you let us go to the book, subject and predicate. So a sentence can be divided into two parts, that is subject and predicate. Like here you can see some two sentences are given. Raksha sings songs. So this sentence is about Raksha. So that is the subject. And what Raksha does? Sings songs. So that is the predicate. Parth is an athlete. So this sentence is about Parth. So it is the subject. And what Parth is an athlete. So that is the predicate. It tells about the subject. It tells about Parth, that Parth is an athlete. Okay, so that is the predicate. So this already I have explained to you. In the first sentence we are talking about Raksha, while in the second one we are speaking about Parth. So Raksha and Parth are persons. So what we can say about them is their action or quality. Okay, so this is like action. We say when Raksha sings a song, so that is action. And when we say Parth is an athlete, so we are telling about the quality of Parth. He is an athlete. So the part of the sentence which names the person or thing that we talk about is called the subject. So that part of the sentence which names the person, okay, or thing जिसमें किसी का नाम आ जाता है, name of, it can be the name of any person, it can be the name of any animal, it can be the name of any thing. So whatever we are talking about in the sentence, okay, that is called the subject. And the part of the sentence which tells something about the subject, so that part in which we are talking about the subject के बारे में बता रहा है कि वो subject क्या कर रहा है या वो क्या है, what the subject is or what the subject does, what the subject has, that is called predicate. So every sentence can be divided into subject and predicate. Here some examples are given like birds sing. So birds is the subject. The sentence is about birds and what the bird does, sing. Dogs bark. Similarly flies hum. So here what the sentence is about dogs, about flies, and what the dogs do, they bark. So that is the predicate. And flies, what they do, hum. So that is the predicate. Maya writes a letter. So this sentence is about Maya, and what Maya does, that is the predicate, writes a letter. Karthik draws a picture. So this sentence is about Karthik, and what Karthik does, draws a picture, is the predicate. The teacher teaches in the class. So this sentence is about the teacher, and what the teacher does, teaches in the class. So that is the predicate.
मैम अंकित
Cows
के भी
give
आई डी
us
से मैम
milk.
डेडिकेट करते हैं
Cows. This sentence is about cows, and what cow does, give us milk. So that is the predicate. Einstein was a great
मैम अंकित
scientist.
के भी आई
So
डी से
this
मैम प्रेडिकेट
sentence
करते
is about Einstein. And what is this other part is telling about Einstein? Who was
हैं
Einstein? He
प्रेडिकेट
was
करते
a great scientist. So that is the
हैं
predicate part. Okay. So how you can find the subject
मैम
in the
प्रेडिकेट
sentence?
करते
You
हैं
have to ask a question.
मैं कोई बीच में बोल रहा
So how to find the subject in the sentence? You see, subject usually it comes in the beginning of the sentence. It begins with a capital. Usually it is the first word in a sentence is the subject. And it begins with a capital letter and it comes before the verb. जब तक आपको verb नहीं मिल जाता है, up to then that means that is the subject. जैसे ही आपको verb मिल जाता है sentence में, वहां से predicate start हो जाता है. As soon as you find the verb, the predicate part begins from there. Okay. Now like two sentences are given. Vivek writes editorials. So here you can ask the question to the sentence, who the sentence is about or what the sentence is about. Like here Vivek writes editorials. So you can ask who writes editorials. So the answer you get is Vivek. So that is the subject and the remaining part is the predicate. Okay. Similarly, cows give milk. Who gives us milk? So cows. So that is the subject and what the cows does, that is the predicate. So now come to the predicate. What is the predicate? The predicate contains a verb. So that because predicate is the action word, it tells us about the action, what the subject does. So the predicate contains a verb. It can be a word or a group of words. So it can be one word or it can be more than one word. So in the sentence given above, like write editorial and give milk, these are the predicates. Okay. Now like there are some sentences in which the subject is not given but it is understood. We have to understand. यहाँ पे subject दिया हुआ नहीं होता है, but you have to understand that the subject is hidden in that sentence. Okay. So those type of sentences usually जो है imperative sentences you might have learned in your earlier classes. जो imperative sentences क्या होते हैं? When we are telling someone to do something, कोई हमारे सामने बैठा है पास में, तो जरूरी नहीं है कि हम उसका नाम लेके ही बोले. सिंपली वी कैन टेल नो क्लोज द डोर, ओपन योर बुक. ओके, नाम नहीं लेते. और अगर हम नाम लेके बोलते हैं सो देन दैट, so those sentences, okay, where the subject is hidden, that are imperative sentences. Okay, so there how you can know that what is the subject, how you can find out the subject. So like some say, if I tell open your book. Okay, so you are sitting here in front
मैम
of
कोई
me
बीच
and
में
I
बोल
can
रहा
say
है।
open your book. Okay, so some sentences are there in which the subject is hidden. Okay. So those sentences I told you, they are imperative sentences or in which you are telling someone to do something. Okay. Like if I tell open your book. और in this I have not used any, इसमें कोई noun या pronoun नहीं है. Noun is there but it is coming at the end. Open your book. Okay. Book comes at the end. It is beginning with a verb open. Okay, so here the subject is not there, but actually the subject is hidden. It is not seen, it is not visible. So how you can find out? So that means we are telling you open your book. Okay, or I can use any name. Okay, I can tell Parth open your book. So here we have not used the name, simply we are telling open your book. So that means the subject is hidden here. It means you. तो वहाँ पर जो है subject you. Okay, that is understood. वहाँ पर की subject नहीं है, तो that means here the subject is hidden and the subject will be you. Y-O-U. Okay. So like here you can see some sentences are given. Stand up, comb your hair, bring me a cup of tea, run fast. You see the beginning, the first letter of each, the first word you see of each sentence. Stand, comb, bring, run. These are all verbs. They are beginning with the action words that are verbs. Okay, so that means we are telling someone to do something. We are telling someone to stand up, telling someone to comb your hair, telling someone to bring me a cup of tea. We are telling someone to run fast. Okay,
इसमें मिल रहा है
so in these sentences, okay, the subject is not given but the subject is understood that it is you. यहाँ पर जो है you stand up, you comb your hair, you bring me a cup of tea, you run fast. लेकिन जब कोई हमारे सामने होता है तो जरूरी नहीं है कि हम ऐसा you लगा के बोले. Okay, so these are also sentences, stand up, comb your hair, but here the subject is hidden. So अगर आपको इस टाइप के sentences आते हैं, you come across such type of sentences, so you have to understand that here the subject will be you. So in all these sentences, the subject you, that is you, is understood. You is the subject that is implied in each of these sentences. So it is understood that here the subject is you. Okay. Now come to exercise D. Here some match the column is given here. Subject and predicate. Subject is given in column 1 and the predicates are given in column 2. So you have to match them. Okay. Like here some lines of some nursery rhymes are given and some proverbs are given here. Okay. So very quickly we will do it. Jack and Jill, you all know, sat
Went
on
up
a
the
wall.
hill.
Jack and Jill went
Went
up
up
the
the
hill.
hill.
Humpty Dumpty sat on
Went
a
up
wall.
the sat on the
Yeah.
wall.
Beta, just
Slow
type in
and
the
steady
chat
win
box.
the race.
Children, type your answers in the chat box and do not disturb the class. Okay?
Okay,
Slow
madam.
and steady wins the race. A bad workman quarrels with his tools. मतलब कि जो वर्कमैन जो मतलब अपने उसको आता नहीं है काम करना, तो वो अपने औजारों को दोष देता है ना कि ये ठीक नहीं है. A bad workman quarrels with the tools. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Labor लेबर नेवर गोज इन वेन, अगर मेहनत करते हैं तो वो कभी बेकार नहीं जाता. ओके. फॉर्च्यून फेवर्स द ब्रेव, जो ब्रेव होते हैं ऑलवेज लक फेवर्स देम. ओके. those who are brave, those who do not give up, so fortune luck always favors them. Morning, morning क्या है बेटा? Morning shows the day. Okay, this is a proverb. Morning shows the day, मतलब सुबह जब होती है तो हमें इसके बारे में भी come to know about the day. If the morning is sunny, that means the whole day it will be clear. But if the morning is cloudy, so there might be that there will be some rain in the afternoon or evening. So morning shows the day. Empty vessel sounds much, जो खाली बर्तन होते हैं वो ज्यादा बजते हैं, है ना. इन हिंदी ऑल्सो देर इज अ प्रोवर्ब दैट थोथा चना बाजे घना, समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके. नाउ 10th one, child is the father of the man. Okay, these are all proverbs. Now come to the next one. Exercise E. Divide these sentences into subject and predicate and write in the given blank. So here the sentence is given and you have to separate. Okay, subject and predicate को अलग अलग करना है. Like first one is done. I love playing piano. So here you see I is a pronoun. So whenever there is a pronoun in the sentence, that single word pronoun will be the subject and the remaining part will be the predicate. Okay, children, keep this in mind. Okay, subject में अगर in the sentence में if it is beginning with a pronoun, you know what are pronouns? He, she, it, I, you, we, they, you, your. Okay, these are all pronouns. तो जब भी कोई सेंटेंस प्रोनाउन से स्टार्ट होता है, so that single one word pronoun will be the subject and the remaining part that complete will be the predicate. Okay, like here I is a pronoun and the remaining part love playing piano will be the predicate. Then similarly second one, she has received a letter. So here also she is a pronoun. So she is the subject and the remaining that will be the predicate, has received a letter. A cold breeze blew last night. So this sentence is about what? It is about a cold breeze. No, this sentence is about a cold breeze. Okay. So this subject will be a cold breeze. And how is the cold breeze? Okay, what it did? It blew last night. Okay, so here blew last night will be the predicate. Okay, a cold breeze is the subject. Then the next one, tsunami destroyed many houses. Children, here you see T is given in the beginning, but T will be silent. Okay, we read it as tsunami. T will be silent. Don't pronounce it as T tsunami. Okay, or whatever. Tsunami is the proper pronunciation. तो सुनामी आपको पता है क्या है? जब वो समुद्र में जो है लहरें उठती है बहुत तेज तेज, लाइक यू कैन से अर्थक्वेक अंडर द सी. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड सुनामी. So tsunami destroyed many houses. So this sentence is about tsunami. So tsunami is the subject and what the tsunami did, destroyed many houses. That is the predicate. Trees give shade in summer. So this sentence is about what? It is about trees. So trees is the subject and what the trees do, give shade in summer, that is the predicate. Shivani sings songs. So this sentence is about Shivani. So that is the subject and what Shivani does, sings songs. So that will be the predicate. The old lady gave the beggar a 5 rupee note. So this sentence is about whom? It is about the old lady. So that will be the subject and what the old lady does or what the old lady did, gave the beggar a 5 rupee note. So that will be the predicate part. His father gave him a piano on his birthday. So what is this sentence about? It is about father. Okay, his father. So this is the subject, and what his father did, gave him a piano on his birthday. So that is the predicate. This story is fascinating. So this sentence is about what or about whom? It is about this story. Okay, so this is the subject, and how is the story is fascinating, means it is very interesting. Okay, that will be the predicate. A sentence has a subject and a predicate. So this is about a sentence. Okay, this sentence is talking about what? About a sentence. So that is the subject, and the remaining part has a subject and a predicate. Okay, so that is the predicate part. Now here exercise F, supply suitable predicates to these subjects.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
So here
एक्सरसाइज
some,
आप अपने आप से कर सकते हैं?
yes, you can do it on your own also. This is only for your help. Okay, if you do not understand, you can take the help of the PDF. Okay. Okay, now come to exercise F. Here subjects are given. You have to complete it with the predicate part. आपको कुछ भी, you can write anything, okay, but keep the rules in mind. Okay, how to begin. Okay, you have to begin with some verb or helping verb. Okay, like here first one, we. Okay, you can write anything. We are studying English, we are going for a picnic, we
मैम,
are
वी शुड
visiting,
रिस्पेक्ट अवर एल्डर्स.
anything. Okay, we should respect
Can't
anything
sing
you can
song.
write. Okay, I know we are singing song, you can write. Okay, so here I have written we are
मैम, वी
learning
स्पीक
English
इंग्लिश.
grammar. Yes, anything you can write. Okay, then the second one, Amit and his sister. So here you see there are two, Amit and his sister, two are there. So that predicate part जब आप लिखोगे, so you have to remember कि जो subject है वो verb के साथ agree होना चाहिए. Okay, so that means you cannot use is here. Okay, because there are two persons here. So it
मैम,
should be
आर
begin with R. Okay, so Amit and his sister, anything you can write, like
आर
are watching
स्टडिंग, आर
television,
प्ले.
are studying, are playing,
Are going
anything.
to picnic.
Anything you can write. Okay. Then third one, the river Amazon. You can write anything. The river Amazon flows in, it is in South America. It flows in South America, or it is the second longest river in the world. Okay. First
मैम,
is
इट इज
Nile,
द
the
लार्जेस्ट
Amazon.
रिवर.
It is not the longest, not
रिवर
largest, longest, huh? And it is not the longest river also. Nile, river Nile is the longest. Amazon is
मैम,
the second longest
यस
river
मैम,
in
इट इज.
the world. Okay, second longest. Or you can write the river Amazon is in South America. Anything you can write. The river Amazon flows in South America. Anything you can write. This is just for example. Then the fourth one, the patient. Now here you see the patient is one, singular, एक है. So here you can use is, like you have used with the Amazon also is.
द
So
पेशेंट
when
इज
it's
इल.
the patient is a patient तो इल ही होगा ना, तभी तो वो patient है. So you can write is waiting for the doctor.
पेशेंट
Okay.
इज एडमिट इन
Patient is
हॉस्पिटल.
ill.
Yeah, is admitted in the hospital, is waiting for the doctor, is waiting for oxygen. Anything you can write. Okay. Anything, but remember that the verb जो आप लिख रहे हो it should agree with the subject. अगर subject singular है so the verb also must be singular. Okay, अगर subject में one person है या एक I है जैसे, तो there you don't have to use plural. Okay, the verb also must be singular. Okay, don't use their are. And if the subject is more than one, then you can use are. Okay, the Ramayana, again you see it is only one.
इज अ
Okay,
होली
so
स्टोरी.
is a holy story, no, epic. It is an epic. Epics बोलते हैं इनको ना, जो बहुत लंबी लंबी स्टोरीज होती है, रामायणा महाभारता, इनको हम epics बोलते हैं in English. Okay, so is an ancient epic written by Valmiki. Okay, then Harry Potter, you all know Harry Potter, so it is a fictional character.
इज
It
वेरी
is
फेमस अमंग चिल्ड्रन.
Amazing
मैम, हैरी
story.
a
पॉटर
series of
is
fantasy
is
novels.
famous among children.
Yes, is famous. That is also
Harry
correct. You
Potter is
can
an
write.
English movie.
Harry
Yeah, it is
Potter.
an English
Harry
movie.
Potter
You can
is
write. Okay.
Harry Potter is very famous among children.
Then come to the next one. The Taj Mahal
Is made by
Was
Shah
Is
built,
in
Jahan.
the Agra.
was not is beta was, okay, was
The
built by
Taj
Shah
Mahal
Jahan.
का है
The Taj Mahal is in Agra. Anything you can write.
heaven.
It is in Agra or it was built by Shah Jahan. Okay. Beta, mute yourself now. The class is disturbing. Mute yourself. Who is that? I will just remove this from the class. Ashwini Kumar. Mute yourself, Ankit.
Ashwani.
Mute yourself. Mrs. Pratibha Patil. You see, Mrs. Pratibha Patil, she was the first woman president of India.
Is
सबसे
a
पहली
Is
woman
very is
president.
our class teacher.
Mrs. Pratibha Patil, she was the first woman president of India, beta.
She
Okay.
was a doctor.
She was the first woman president of India. सबसे पहली जो प्रधानमंत्री तो मिसेस इंदिरा गांधी थी and first woman president of India was Mrs. Pratibha Patil. Okay. Then the second next one is a proverb दिया हुआ है barking dogs seldom bite. जो भौंकने वाले कुत्ते होते हैं वो अक्सर काटते नहीं है. Okay. Barking dogs seldom bite. All my friends are safe at home, are studying English, anything you can write. But because you see here it is friends, so we can use here are, okay, because it is more than one. Then
Are
the
going to
beggar
picnic.
are going to picnic, anything. The beggar, okay, here it is one, beggar is one, so we will not use are, okay. Is, okay, is we use with one. Is sitting by the roadside. Sachin Tendulkar again one person hai, so we cannot
Is
use
a
are.
cricketer.
We use here
The Sachin
is
Tendulkar
my
is
favorite cricketer. Is a very good cricketer. Yeah,
very famous.
is a very famous cricketer.
Was
Okay.
best
Then
cricketer.
next, yeah, is the best cricketer. Then
Sachin
next
Tendulkar
one,
is very famous cricketer.
yeah, very. Okay, good. Now next one, Ashoka the Great. You all have heard about King, no? Ashoka.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
about you have to make a sentence. Ashoka again it is one person.
The
Okay,
Ashoka the
so
Great.
was an
Um,
Indian emperor of the Mauryan dynasty. Okay, Mauryan dynasty का था वो was a great ruler. Okay,
मैम उसने
yes, it was he who spread Buddhism in India, ना Buddhism. बाद में उसने जो कलिंगा वार में हार गया था तो जब उसने बहुत सारा खून खराबा देखा तो उसके बाद वो चेंज हो गया ना एंड देन ही टर्न टुवर्ड्स बुद्धिज्म उसने
हम
बुद्धिज्म
fought the
अपना लिया
Kalinga
था
War.
या कलिंगा वार में वो जो है जीत गया था लेकिन उसके
Yes,
बाद
ma'am.
वो चेंज हो गया था पूरा
मैम
इट
उसने
चेंज्ड हिज
बुद्धिज्म
लाइफ
अपना लिया था ना.
yes he left wars and then he started the spread of buddhism उसने गौतम बुद्धा को अपना गुरु मान के okay yes now I'm not going to teach you history now Mahatma Gandhi okay is
Mahatma
called
Gandhi,
the
the
father
father
of the
of
nation.
nation. The father
Yes,
of
was
nation.
born in
Mahatma Gandhi was born on.
was
Mahatma
born
Gandhi,
in
the father of
Porbandar.
nation.
Yes, is known as the father of the nation. You can write that also. The next
Grammar
grammar
is my
is my
favorite
favorite
subject.
subject. Okay, grammar is my favorite
Grammar is
Very
subject.
Grammar
important.
Okay.
is my favorite subject.
Okay, now very quickly mute yourself बेटा just थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ है मैं ये करवा देती हूँ. Okay. Now you have to write here predicates are given. You have to write the subject. Okay, he is a popular singer. So you can
Lata
write any
Mangeshkar.
name, Lata Mangeshkar, Kishore Kumar, anyone you can write. Okay, so I have written like Lata Mangeshkar is a popular singer. Dash go to their school regularly. You see here the word there is given. There मतलब
Students,
एक से ज्यादा है.
students,
Yeah, students go to their school
to your
regularly.
school
Yeah,
regular student.
G go to the school regularly, or you
Student.
can write any names also. Ankit and
students.
Amit
मैम
go to
आपकी
the
आवाज नहीं
school
आ रही.
because someone has found the switch on the mic. No, beta, someone's mic is on. Yes, mute yourself, beta. Everyone, mute your mics. Very quickly, I want to complete this exercise G. Then you have your another class also. Now, third one dash is the
Peacock.
national bird of India. Yes,
Peacock.
Peacock,
peacock
ma'am.
is the national bird of India. Last dash is the last month of the year. Last
December.
month of the
December,
year,
ma'am.
December.
हम December.
Dash is a book
December.
containing words and their
Dictionary,
meanings.
ma'am.
Yes, a dictionary you have to write, okay. Dash is an international language. So there are so many international
English, English,
languages.
ma'am. English.
English, Chinese,
Chinese.
Russian, so all. Don't write, huh? Write English or French also. Okay, so use English you can write. Dash is the coldest month of the year. So again you can write December. December is the coldest month. Okay, December. Was
December.
the first Prime Minister of India. Number 8 was the first
PT
Prime Minister
Jawaharlal
of
Nehru.
India. PT. What is
PT
PT?
Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
What is PT? Pandit. Beta, mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Dash is known by the company he keeps. Beta, who is this mic on? Mute your mic. Dash is known by the company he keeps. So here you can write a man. This is a proverb. A man is known by the company he keeps. Okay, एक आदमी को हम उसके दोस्त से कैसे या उसी से पता लगा सकते हैं कि वो कैसा है. Dash is our national anthem. You all know Jana Gana Mana.
Jana Gana Mana.
Dash is the main source of our life. Today trees or water, anything you can write. Okay, water. Dash lies anything. Dash lies in the south of India. So extreme south में कन्याकुमारी है. So you can write here Kanyakumari. Dash keep our environment pure and pollution free. So trees जो है हमारे environment को they keep pure and pollution free. Okay. So today children you have to write all these exercises up to exercise G I will be sending. You have to write them in your grammar textbook. Okay. Do these exercises in your grammar textbook D, E, F and G. I think ABC all have done. Okay.